ओके, आज फ्राइडे है शायद, सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोफेशनल्स पूरा ब्रेक ले ले रहे, शायद वीकेंड के मूड में आ गए, इसीलिए बोला जी मैं अपन ग्रुप का नाम बदल देंगे, JL40 द सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोफेशनल्स बोल के नाम लगा देंगे अब उसका। आज ही नाम करा सर को बोल के, JL40 द सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोफेशनल्स, और JL40 TCS, विप्रो, सत्यम, कॉग्निजेंट, इन्फोसिस, IBM। अच्छे है नहीं नामा?
यस
यस सर।
सुनने में बहुत मजा आ रहा नहीं?
यस सर।
यस सर।
ऐसे रहता जी। समान नुमेर कॉलेज कब से खुलवा रहे?
हम नहीं खुलवा सकते सर, पूछ रहे तो सही, लेकिन अभी तक कुछ भी मालूम भी नहीं हुआ सर।
सर, कॉलेजेस खोले तो कि फोन लेके जाना है कॉलेजेस में?
और सर फोन लेके जाना कहते सर।
सर फायदा ही नहीं है सर कॉलेज खोल के। अब गिरी सर तो नहीं आते बोले, अब वहाँ पे एम्स के स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ पे बैठ के फोन ले लेके वहां से गिरी सर की क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं। सो व्हाट्स द बेनिफिट सर? यहाँ
वो
पे
क्या
भी
वहां से बैठ के गिरी सर का क्लास अटेंड करना, ये पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ मैं। गए एम्स के बच्चे?
और
ऐसे ही हो
घर
रहा
से
है
ऐसे
हॉस्टल।
करना।
3 days in a week, sir.
हाँ
3 days in a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, sir. We are going.
ये देखो, प्रीवियस JEE एडवांस क्वेश्चन। पैसेज वन पॉइंट 2.3 पॉइंट्स, फर्स्ट वन। Even maybe I'm teaching a batch containing यहाँ का एक बैच, उधर का एक बैच, क्लब में एक बैच, उधर मेहदीपट्टनम में भी ऐसी है. I think juniors are going for 3 days. But classes are running both offline and online. I think their teachers are coming. Whoever is not coming to college, he'll sit at home and listen to online class. Or class में I think only 30 students allowed. सुन रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर more than
Sir.
30 class में है तो they should sit in the next room and listen to the class online. How is draw these curves? Y is equal to e power x. Y is equal to x. Y is equal to k e power x. And y is equals to k e power x, k less than 0. Come on. Draw these 4 curves. Tomorrow class at 11.
Okay, sir.
How is y equal to e power x man? Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
How is y equal to x?
Straight line passing through origin.
Straight line passing through origin. How is y equal to k e power x, k greater than 0? This point is 0, 1. This point would be 0, k. This is y is equals to k e power x. Write the last one. What is the last curve? How is the last curve? नीचे ऐसा जाता.
Sir, chemistry class ended now.
Ended now.
Yes, sir.
फिर मेरे को नहीं बोले ना जी, वेट करता था ना मैं. गलत है जी ऐसा. Should not. Why then? Why did you rush to this class?
Sir, only 9 participants are there in chemistry class. So,
और ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए.
Sir, I made that confusion, sir. Sorry, sir. I made that confusion, sir.
हाँ?
Sir, I made that confusion, sir. I only asked for more classes. Sorry, sir. Forgot about that.
You only asked for?
Sir, I only asked, sir. No one other asked, sir. I made that confusion, sir. By mistake, sir.
No.
Sir, please forgive me, sir. Sorry, sir.
My maths class starts only after conclusion of chemistry class.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Agar chemistry class by any chance gets extended, my maths class gets extended. That's it. समझ गए?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can extend, sir. My mistake, sir. Sorry.
Those who joined late, listen to this one. I drew all these four curves. All these curves we discussed earlier. Look
Yes.
at the problem. For k negative, look at the first question. Line and the curve meet at how many points is the question. For k negative. So, how is the curve? Curve is like this. How is the line? Line is passing through origin. How many points you are meeting one?
One.
1 point. Therefore, next. Line and the curve, positive value of k. Look at the second one. What's the curve?
So k power ex minus
K e power x minus x is equals to 0. That means what is your y? What is your y? X.
x. X.
These two are meeting at how many points?
One
So,
point.
1 point. 1 point.
What even the curve and a line meeting at 1 point? What is line acting as?
So,
Tangent.
Line and a curve are meeting at 1 point.
Tangent.
What is line acting as? Bolo ji.
Tangent.
Tangent. Line and a curve meeting at 1 point. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका
The line is the
मतलब क्या
tangent.
है? मतलब line acts as a
Tangent.
look here. This is the curve. What is this curve's name?
y equal to k power k e power x.
Or x.
There's a line.
Y equal to x.
Chalo, come on. Make the slopes equal at that point. Did you
Yes.
get the answer? And please never do this one. Maths class starts only after the conclusion of chemistry class.
Yes, sir. I will never do that, sir. Sorry, sir. By mistake, I did, sir.
अपना बोलो सुन रहा हूँ.
Sir, if the So if the line is meeting at one point, it can be normal to the curve also somewhere intersecting. It need not necessarily to be a tangent also. It can be a normal.
Has only one root for the tangent ही है जी, not normal.
Yes, sir.
Now look here.
Yes,
Y
sir.
is equal to k e power x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है?
Sir, k e power
K e
x.
power x.
Y is equal to x डेरिवेटिव क्या है?
1.
Slopes must be equal.
Yes.
K e power x is equal to 1. So what is k?
1
by
e power minus x.
Substitute. Y is equals to k बोले तो 1 by e power x into e power x.
Slope is 1. Yes.
Y is 1. Whence y is 1, what is x?
1.
X is 1, what is y is 1, what is k?
So k 1 by e.
Is asking positive values of k for which equation has only one root. So what is that positive value of k?
1 by e.
1 by e.
Conclusion for k is equal to 1 by e. Touch each other. How many points?
Only at 1 point.
I need the full board. Can I clear this off?
One
Yes.
minute.
To explain further, I require full board.
1 minute. Sir. Completed, sir.
No, sir. Sir, please 1 minute. Sir. Completed, sir.
Completed. Sir.
बच्चे लोग सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Whole class, pay attention. Look at the board. When they both are touching,
Y equals to x.
It's okay.
k is equal to
1
1
by
by
Yes,
e.
sir. 1 by e.
line fixed है. Because line में parameter नहीं है. Parameter here is k. Line हल निकाले है. Line fixed है. Y is equal to x. इसमें parameter है. What's the parameter?
K.
by E पे टच हो रहा, अगर मैं K का वैल्यू बढ़ाया, if I increase the value of K, what happens to this curve? This curve keeps on going upwards. K 1 by E करा, अगर K 2 करा, K 3 करा, K 4 करा, K 5 करा, what happens to this curve? This curve keep on going upwards. Line is fixed. Do they have any solutions?
No,
Yes, sir.
they are not intersecting.
1 by E पे intersect हो रहा,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
positive value. 0 to 1 by E. Then what happens? This curve, ऐसा होगा. How many points it cuts?
2 points.
2 points. What I am trying to tell you is, that is the answer for the third question. 2 distinct routes पूछा. I will show all of them by means of a figure here.
Yes.
Clear, man? This logic is very important. Look here. This is for what?
Y equal to K e power x.
This
For
is
1, 2.
y is equals to k e power x. For what value of k?
1
1
by E.
1 by
This is what? Y
greater
is
than
equal to
1.
k e power 1 by x. Where is k belonging to?
So
1 by e to infinity. Here how many solutions?
1.
1.
Here how
No
many
solution.
solutions?
no, sir.
No, sir.
So K e power x, no, sir. Above graph. Yes.
Now, look at this. How many points it is intersecting?
2.
What is this curve?
So y is equal to K e power x. K belongs to
Where is k belonging to?
0, 1 by
0
e.
to 1 by E.
How many solutions?
2 solutions.
Come on, copy this. This
Yes.
is what is equal. Come on. Can I?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Same problem. Examiner's favorite question.
Yes.
Where m is a positive constant means what? This is fixed, this is varying.
Yes.
Can I clear this off?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you remember, during curve sketching, your JL41, JL41, they were not taught curve sketching while doing functions by their sir. They are struggling man. इतना मुश्किल वाला मालूम उनको problem solve करने को.
Yes.
They are struggling because they were not taught how to draw graphs. I drew the graph. Y is equal to px. What is this?
Great.
Sir, straight line passing through.
Origin. What's the slope?
Sir, P.
Slope is p. How is y equal to log mod x? A y is equal to x ग्राफ का नीचे का पोर्शन ऊपर चला था. याद है?
Yes,
This
sir.
is
Yes,
y
sir.
is equal to log x ग्राफ. याद है?
Yes, sir.
मॉड्यूलस को तो क्या करना?
Downward.
Read the
Or above. ये किसका ग्राफ है?
Y is equal to mod x.
हाँ
Mod
log x.
x.
above is
Actually,
Y is equal to
mod
mod.
sir.
First of all, check when they will intersect. What happens? What should happen for them to intersect? Y is equal to mod log mx या log mx ले लो. And y is equal to px. दोनों का slopes निकाल के equate करो. Come on.
Yes.
sir, x equals to 1 by p.
P आना लगा. ये m constant है. P पैरामीटर है.
Sir, x equals to 1 by p.
dy by dx क्या है जी? Log mx. 1 by mx into mx derivative m.
Yes.
What is second curve? Dy by dx.
So P.
P into x derivative p.
P.
Touching
Equal to
button,
one.
both must be equal.
1 by p.
Yes.
1 by x is equal to p. So what is x is equals to?
1 by P.
इसमें डालेंगे y is equal to px. P into x is 1 by p. Y is equal to 1. Once y is equal to 1, what is x?
One.
Here, x1 by p, y1. Put them in, y is equal to log mx.
Yes.
Y के बदले में 1, x के बदले में मन.
1 by p.
Drop logarithm. What is m by p is equals to?
4 e. Is
So what is your p is equals to?
m by e. Is
Now look here, pay attention, pay attention. Look at this man.
yes, sir.
Do not write, listen here all of you.
Yes.
This is logarithm curve. When do they have two solutions?
Yes, sir.
This is the line. Look here. How many points line? How many points line and the curve touching? 1.
2 points.
When is it happening? What happens to the slope of the line?
P is equal to m by e.
If the P is greater than M by E. If the
So
P
one
is greater
solution
than
only.
M by E. If the
Graph
P
moves
greater than M by
upwards.
E. If
P
the P
moves
greater than M by E. बोलो जी.
So, one solution, sir.
This is y is equal to px. This is y is equal to px. Now what happens? What happens now? P greater than m by e. So where is P belonging to?
Is m by e comma infinity.
How many solutions?
One solution only, sir.
Correct? All of you, any doubts, any questions? I'm waiting.
Correct, sir. No doubts.
Jasim, you wait, man.
Yes, sir.
Non-Jasims. Non-Jasims.
Yes, sir.
Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
If this is the case, how many solutions?
3.
Yes,
Three
yes.
solutions. What is this line equation?
Y equal to
So
px.
where should be my P? Where should be my P?
Sir,
Less
P
than,
less
M by E.
less than M by E. That means 0 less than P less than M by E. That means where is P belonging to?
0, comma M by E.
How many solutions?
3 solution.
3.
Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubts. Clear.
Chalo. Take a fresh page, put the heading, increasing, decreasing functions and maxima, minima.
Yes.
What is the difference between earlier problem and this problem?
Sir,
बच्चे लोग,
Earlier it was e power x only. Now it is k.
earlier curve was varying. Hello,
yes, sir.
Y
k
equal
e
to
power
Early,
x minus x is equal to 0. यहाँ पे log mod mx minus px is equal to 0. यहाँ पे k was parameter. K changed, curve was changing. यहाँ पे p is a parameter.
sir.
Therefore,
is not
line
changed.
बदल रहा, curve fixed है, curve fixed है. लाइन टच हो रहा, ऊपर जा रहा, नीचे जा रहा. लाइन टच हो रहा, ऊपर जा रहा, नीचे जा रहा. टच हो रहा, ऊपर जा रहा, नीचे जा रहा. Earlier,
Yes.
curve was varying, line fixed. Now, curve fixed, line varying.
Curve.
That's the difference.
Now, yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Increasing, decreasing functions and maxima, minima. Can I clear first two columns?
Yes, sir.
Increasing, decreasing functions and maxima, minima. Look at me. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Pay attention. Do not write. Listen here. Already एक बार I explained this during functions. Second time listen.
Yes.
Pay attention. Do not write. Listen to this. Let this be. बच्चे लोग सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
This is x1. This is x2. What is this building called? What is this tower called?
Yes, sir.
What is this
F of
tower
x.
called?
F of x2.
What is this point called?
Yes, sir. X1
1 comma f of x1.
Jasin, wait.
x2 comma f of x2.
Yes, sir.
What's the relation between x1 and x2? x1 less than x2. F of x1, f of x2. Look at f of x1
Yes.
building, look at f of x2 building. Jasin, wait. Which
Okay.
building is taller?
F of x2.
x2.
F
Of
of
x2.
building is taller. Which building is smaller?
F of x1.
F of x1. So is the inequality remaining the same?
Yes.
For all x1 comma x2 belonging to a comma b, then y is equal to f of x is said to be an strictly
Increasing function.
increasing function. What's the moral of the story? Increasing functions keep inequality intact. याद है?
Intact.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I gave enough examples also. What
Yes,
is
sir.
example of
Yes, sir.
increasing function?
Sine.
Y is
Oh, sir, at that time you explained by taking that degrees you took and you
equals.
Strictly is an strictly increasing
Increasing.
function. Jasim 0 to pi sin x increasing function है?
Sir, no, sir. 0 to pi by 2, sir.
0 to pi negative.
0 to pi by 2.
so it is increasing.
Look here. 0
Yes.
to pi sin x
Both are there.
is not for x belonging to
Strictly
0 to
increasing.
pi is not strictly increasing function. Am I correct?
Increasing, sir. Yes, sir.
Come back. Come back.
Yes.
Look here. But chalo, pay attention. It will be there on the board. Copy letter. Second one.
Yes.
Exactly is the opposite. What do we call?
Decreasing function.
Increasing function.
A, B,
Inequality changes.
x1, x2. What is this building called? F of x1,
F of
f of x2. This point man. x1 comma f of x1, x2 comma f of
x2,
x2. बच्चे लोग क्या हुआ यार? बच्चे लोग what happens?
sir. X1 is greater. X1 is less than x2.
x2. Which building is taller? बच्चे लोग
F of
which
x.
building is taller? F of x1 is taller. For all x1 comma x2 belonging to open A comma B,
A.
then y is equal to f of x is said to be an strictly
Decreasing.
decreasing function. Decreasing functions will, what's the word I use? Reverse.
Inequality will reverse. Yes.
Can you give me example of decreasing functions?
Log.
E power minus x. और एक y is equal to e power minus x is an
For y,
strictly decreasing
strictly decreasing.
function. और एक 0 to pi में cos x for x belonging to 0 to pi open interval. Y is equal to cos
Not,
x is an what function man?
Decreasing function.
Decreasing
not strictly decreasing.
of his cosine function graph in the interval 0 to pi. Is it going downward?
Yes, sir. It's going down.
Jasim, please do not talk in the middle while the class is on.
Sorry, sir.
decreasing. Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubts. Clear.
Non-Jasims, Jasim, wait man, please.
Sir, no doubt.
This we explained earlier also.
Yes, sir.
TCS, Wipro, Satyam, IBM, Infosys.
Explained,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Previously also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can leave. Can I close down?
Yes, sir.
You can leave. Adnan नहीं है क्लास में आज? Zahiruddin Adnan
Not there, sir.
नहीं है आज?
No, sir, not there.
Okay, then thank you. See you tomorrow 11 o'clock.
Okay,
No,
sir. Bye.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.